Hello everyone, this is Catherine. I just went out for an errand. That's why I am seeing this. But here's snow. It's just got off the bus. Thought I'd give you another update on the snow. If I can do it with my carts and stuff. Okay. Bear with me. There we go. But I see it's snowing really hard. People's been buses and cars have been slipping around. It's kind of slippery out there, so take your time if you have to get out. If you don't have to go out, I wouldn't recommend going out, at least not today. It's supposed to snow all day and overnight tonight. And yeah, and as you can see, it's windy as well, so it's pretty nasty. Pretty nasty. This is going to be a short video as well, but maybe a tiny bit longer than the other one. Actually, it's going to be a short one again. We're supposed to have 10 to 15 centimeters by the end of the storm. Yeah. But I'll let you go for now. Because I have to get my mitts on and stuff because it's cold and windy. And I need to go get home.